Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something that has genuinely changed the way I work, and I think it could do the same for you. We're talking about automation, but not the complicated, code-heavy kind that requires a computer science degree. This is the new wave of no-code AI automation, where you can build powerful systems just by clicking and dragging. It's kind of like having a team of ultra-efficient assistants working for you around the clock without the massive payroll. The goal here isn't just to be more productive. It's to reclaim your time so you can focus on the things that truly matter. Imagine finishing your entire week's worth of tedious tasks by Tuesday afternoon. What would you do with all that extra time? We're going to explore how you can connect your favorite apps, like your email, social media, and customer relationship manager, and inject a layer of artificial intelligence to handle the repetitive stuff. Think about all the time you spend manually replying to emails, posting on social media, or qualifying new leads. All right, let's get into the game plan. We're not just going to talk about automation in abstract terms. We're going to build 3 specific, practical workflows that you can set up this week. First up is the automated lead generation machine. This workflow will automatically capture new leads from a form, use AI to enrich that data with more information, and then qualify them based on your criteria. Next, we'll build the autopilot social media content creator. This workflow will connect to a source of ideas, use AI to draft engaging social media posts in your unique voice, and then add them to a content calendar. Finally, we'll create the 24/7 AI customer support assistant. This automation will monitor your support inbox, use AI to understand the customer's question, and instantly provide helpful responses for common queries. Let's kick things off with our lead generation machine. We'll build a system using Zapier and OpenAI that captures, enriches, and qualifies leads so you can focus your energy on talking to genuinely interested prospects. The setup begins with a trigger. Our trigger will be a new form submission in a tool like Typeform, Google Forms, or Webflow. Once a new lead fills out your form, Zapier instantly grabs that information. The first action in our Zap will be to send this data to an AI model, like OpenAI's GPT-4. We'll use a carefully crafted prompt to ask the AI to enrich the data and qualify the lead based on a set of rules you define. After the AI works its magic, it returns a qualification score: hot, warm, or cold. Now we use Zapier's filter tool to set up different paths based on the AI's output. If the lead is hot, Zapier will automatically create a new deal in your CRM, assign it to a salesperson, and send a high-priority notification to a Slack channel. This segmentation is what makes the automation so powerful. For an advanced tip, you can make the AI's qualification even smarter by providing it with examples of your ideal customer profile, leading to much more accurate qualifications. Next up, let's tackle social media. Our second hack, the autopilot social media content creator, aims to solve the time-consuming problem of maintaining an active online presence. We'll use make.com to build a scenario that finds interesting content and uses AI to write posts in your voice. Our workflow starts with a source of inspiration. This could be an RSS feed from your favorite industry blogs, new videos from your YouTube channel, or even just a simple Google Sheet where you jot down rough ideas. The first module will be the Watch RSS Feed Items module. We'll set it to check for new articles every few hours. When it finds a new article, it will grab the title, the link, and a short summary. The next module connects to OpenAI with a very specific prompt. For example, you are a friendly thought leader in your industry. Based on the following article summary, write an engaging LinkedIn post of about 150 words with a hook, key insight, and question to encourage comments. We add a router to create different paths. The AI-generated post could go to Buffer or Hootsuite as a draft for your review, or to a Google Sheet creating a library of content ideas you can use later. An advanced tip is to create a style guide and have the AI reference it via a link in your prompt. This ensures consistency in tone and formatting across all your automated content. Our third and final hack is designed to revolutionize your customer support. We're building a 24/7 AI assistant using n8n.io, a powerful open-source automation platform that provides instant answers to common questions. The N8N workflow starts with a trigger node. We'll use the IMAP email node to watch a specific support email address, like support@yourcompany.com. Whenever a new email arrives, the workflow kicks into gear. The first action takes the email body and sends it to an AI model. The crucial part is prompt engineering. We need to ask the AI to categorize the request and determine if it's a common question that can be answered by our knowledge base. To enable the AI to answer questions, we provide it with a knowledge base. A simple way is to have a Google Doc or Notion page with answers to frequently asked questions, then use a node to pull this information into the AI prompt. The next step uses N8N switch node to direct the workflow based on the AI's output. If the AI found an answer, it sends an email back to the customer. If the AI responded with, "I don't know," the workflow creates a ticket for human review. For an advanced tip, you can add sentiment analysis. Have the AI rate the customer's sentiment first. If it's angry or frustrated, the workflow can immediately escalate to a human, ensuring high-priority issues get immediate attention. As you start building these workflows, it's completely normal to hit a few roadblocks. One of the most common issues is prompt drift, where the AI's responses become inconsistent. The solution is to iterate and refine your instructions with more context and concrete examples. Another frequent problem is broken connections between apps. Check the app connections and permissions, and try reconnecting the problematic app. This often forces a refresh of the authentication token and resolves the issue. Sometimes data isn't formatted correctly. Use built-in formatting tools like Zapier's formatter or make.com "s" text. Parsing functions to split text, change date formats, and clean up your data before it gets passed to the next step. We've covered a lot of ground today, but knowledge is only potential power. Action is where the real transformation happens. So I have a challenge for you. Pick just one of the 3 workflows and commit to building it by the end of this week. Start by choosing the workflow that addresses your biggest pain point right now. Are you overwhelmed by new leads? Struggling with content creation? Drowning in support emails? Choose the one that will make the biggest immediate impact. Once you've chosen, rewatch the relevant section, sign up for a free account, connect your apps, write your first AI prompt, and run a test. Remember, the first one is always the hardest, but with each small success, your confidence will grow. Finally, once you get your workflow running, share your win. Tell us which workflow you built, what tools you used, and how it's helping you. Seeing others succeed is incredibly motivating, and your story could inspire someone else to start their automation journey. Accept the challenge, build your first no-code AI workflow, and take the first real step toward reclaiming your time and working smarter, not harder. I can't wait to see what you create.